Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. So, if Gmail is not receiving emails, try these troubleshooting steps. So, first is to check the spam, trash, and all mail folders. Sometimes messages are filtered automatically. So, to start, open Gmail, then click the three line in the top left corner. Now, from here, you can check spam. So, click on spam. You can also check trash. So click on trash and you can also check all mail folders. Next is to clear search history. So to do that, click the three line in the top left corner, then scroll down to settings and open settings. Then from here, scroll down and select data privacy. Then from here at the bottom, you should see clear search history. So click that and confirm the action. So it says here all your email searches will be removed across all your devices. So if you're sure about this, just click on clear and search history is now cleared. Then go back to Gmail and see if that works. Next is to update Gmail to the latest. Next is to update Gmail to the latest version. So you can open App Store or Play Store, then search for Gmail. Then from here, click update if it's available and make sure you're using the latest version. Then go ahead and open Gmail again and see if that works. Next is to go to settings. Then from here, scroll down to general and select that. From general, scroll down and select iPhone storage. Then from here, scroll down and search for Gmail. Open that. Then click offload app. Click offload app once more. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So if reinstall app appears, click on that and wait for it to be reinstalled. So reinstalling the app will place back your data. So just wait for it to finish. So once it's done, open Gmail again and see if that works. And that's it. Thank you for watching.